Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Matthew Robinson and welcome to another episode of Random Unboxing. Let's just get into it. Now, what to open first? How about this one? Here we go. So yeah, this is Green Day's album Nimrod. Kerplunk already arrived in the mail several weeks ago, and I already opened that because it was covered in ants, and oh, it's cracked. That sucks. Have to replace the case. That sucks. It always sucks. Now to throw the packaging in the garbage. And now, which to open next? How about this one? Into the box. I gotta be very careful when I open this so that I don't damage the product inside. Alright. Yes, here we go. Better take the bubble wrap off next, and very carefully as well. So this is Gojo, Spirit War Chronicle. This is another Sogo Ishii movie. I've talked about him briefly in another video. This also stars Tanobu Asano. It also stars Masatoshi Nagase and Daisuke Ryu, who both worked on various movies for Ishii, as well as Tsukamoto and Kurosawa, I believe, and also Takashi Miike. So yeah, really looking forward to watching this. Let's get rid of this. I'll save this, I think. Put that there for now. Now, which to open next? How about this one? This is being kind of stubborn. Just gotta stab it right through. Like that. There we go, and hopefully I can rip through it. And yes, another one. Okay, so this is so much bubble wrap. Okay, so this is Samurai 7. I've already seen Akira Kurosawa's original Seven Samurai, so I figured why not get this. I'll enjoy it as well. Let me just check the inside real quick, and yep, everything seems to be in perfect working order and nice condition. Yeah. I think I'm going to go over to this side this time. Being on that side's kind of hurting my back a little bit. Alright. And this is... Oh yeah, I forgot about this. So this is another Takashi Miike film, The Bird People in China. This was on YouTube at one point, but now it's not anymore. Anyway, yeah, I've really wanted to watch this, and apparently Mako is also in it. So yeah, looking forward to watching this. Little smuts on there. Smuts is all over this. Are there any on the back? I don't think so. Okay. I'm going to put this in the shred pile. Okay. Let's save that for last. Well, next to last. Open up this. Hopefully I didn't damage it. Hopefully I overshot it. And by all hopes I did. So that's good. And what's this? Yes, this. So this is a Thai martial arts film that Trailers from Hell recently did a trailer retrospective for. Yeah, I've actually seen a Thai martial arts film already, Dynamite Warrior, and that was a lot of fun. So I'm really banking on this being fun as well. Alright, this one. Let's do it. Carefully. I better put the knife down. Tape in the most... Oh. Okay then. Some corner store stuff. Okay, so this is the original English language manga Blade for Barter. It was written by well, first it was published by Seven Seas Entertainment, as you can see right there, and written by Seven Seas' co-founder, Jason DeAngelis. And unfortunately, this never made it past the first volume, although there is some loose info and illustrations from the planned second volume floating around the internet. So yeah, I'm looking forward to reading this. I've actually read DeAngelis' other OELM, Captain Nemo. So yeah. Now, I actually have one more thing to unbox, but I can't bring it up here, at least not yet. So first I am going to turn the camera off and bring it to a better angle. Alright, here it is. This is the last thing I have to unbox. And yeah. Oh, I keep forgetting not to cut towards myself. All right. There's plenty of, I hope this is, what is this? Huh. Okay. Okay, yeah, this could work. This could work. Wait a minute, what's first hour? Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, so what you are looking at, this is an anime called Doki Doki School Hours. It's one of those slice of life shows about nothing that I'm really into, because I'm also into like Azumanga Daioh and Lucky Star and shows like that. This is a limited edition collector's box, apparently. And lucky for me, there's room for all the other. For some reason, they packaged the other DVDs outside this, but with just my luck, there are actually more room for the DVDs. As you can see, this is the first DVD or first hour, and here we have the they fall into the. I gotta put my knife away so that nothing gets damaged. Come on, a little. There we go. And as you can see, second hour, and third hour, and fourth hour, and fifth hour, right there. And yeah, like I said, as you can see, there's enough room for me to fit them all into this collection right beside the first hour. Once I get rid of this cardboard bit, I just gotta open it up, get rid of the cardboard bit. But yeah, these are still in the wrapping, which is amazing. Like, when was this show licensed in the US? It doesn't really say, but it was probably I'm gonna say maybe mid 2000s, like mid odds, somewhere around 2005, 2006. But anyway, yeah, really lucky that I got my hands on this. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing video. Put that out of frame. Now, as usual, I'm going to try to situate everything chronologically. Actually, real quick, I gotta look up when Doki Doki came out. Now, while I'm doing that, I might as well mention that, remember when I said that that episode 5 was going to be the last random unboxing for a while? Yeah, I was wrong. Turns out I had a few more in me, you know, like I said last episode. And for now, I'm going to put this right there. Well, anyway, this episode is going to be for real the last episode for a while. Because... no, that's not right. Because I am going to take a little bit of a break for the rest of the year to focus on other stuff. You know, all my other screenplays. And... sorry, yeah, you know, just focus on my other screenplays, and also, I keep losing my train of thought. Basically, I want to try to overhaul the format that I have for the series, because for every episode I've done like this, it's been the camera pointed down and you all looking at my hairy wrists as I open these. And I want to change the format to where, you know, you're looking directly at me as I open them, so that there's not so much dead air. So yeah, I'm thinking about buying a table for that. And yeah, you're probably not going to see another episode until next year. But you know what? You know, I'll still be making videos until then, but you know, don't expect another unboxing video until next year is what I'm saying. And anyway, with that said, yeah, that's it for this video. And until next time, you know, just be sure to smash that like button and ring the bell to stay notified. And until then, you all just stay cool. Later.